Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss the second problem related to unitary matrix. So they have said prove the matrix A which has been given to a unitary matrix. So how we should prove a given matrix as a unitary matrix means it must satisfy a condition, that is A star into A must be equal to I. So this A star can also be given as A theta. Sometimes they will give it as A theta into A which will be equal to I. Both are same. Here A refers to the given matrix in the question. I means identity matrix. If you see here in the given question, the matrix is of 2 cross 2. That is 2 column and 2 rows. So we need the 2 cross 2 identity matrix itself. What is identity matrix? A matrix in which the diagonal elements will be equal to 1 and all other elements will be equal to 0. Now we know the value of the identity matrix and we know the value of matrix A. But we don't know the value of A star, which can also be called as the A theta. So its value will be equal to, first we must make the conjugate of the given matrix A and then we must transpose it. So this will be equal to A star, or you can call it as A theta. So first let's take the common element which is inside the given matrix outside. If you see here, in all the elements inside this matrix, 1 by 2 is common. So let us take 1 by 2 common outside, and what will be left inside? 1 plus I, 1 plus I, minus 1 minus I, 1 minus I will be left as it is. Now let's make the conjugate of the matrix. So what will be the conjugate? It is very easy to write the conjugate. How means? We will be exchanging or swapping the values of the diagonal elements. 1 minus I will come here, 1 plus I will come here. Next, the other two elements which are left, we will change the sign of only I. Here if you see, minus 1 is there, we will keep it as it is. But here minus I is there, we will change the sign of I. So minus will be changed to plus. If it is plus, it will be changed to minus. If you see here, 1 plus I is there. So if I want to change the sign of I, it will be 1 minus I. Simple. So now you have transformed the given matrix A into the conjugate of A. So now let's transpose the conjugate of A. So what is transpose? Transpose is the conversion of the row to column and column to row. So what is? So we can write it simple. 1 minus I will be same. Next write this one, minus 1 plus I. Next here 1 minus I. Next this one, 1 plus I. So now you are transformed columns into rows and rows to column. So this is the transpose of the conjugate matrix. So now you got the value of A star. So it can also be called as A theta, I earlierly told. So now we know the value of A star and we also know the value of A matrix which has been given in the question. If we prove it as an identity matrix, when we multiply the conjugate transpose and the matrix A, if we get the matrix as the identity matrix, that is the output matrix as identity matrix, then we can conclude the given matrix is an unitary matrix. So A star value we got here, that is 1 by 2 into 1 minus I, minus 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 1 plus I. And we also know the value of A. You should not take the A which has been given in the question. You must take the A value in which you have taken out the common element. That is 1 by 2 into 1 plus I, 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I, 1 minus I. So now let's multiply first the common elements. So 1 into 1 will be 1 divided by 2 into 2 will be 4. Now if we want to multiply the matrix, so we will multiply 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So like this. So I will show here 1 minus I into 1 plus I plus 1 minus I into 1 plus I, 1 minus I into 1 plus I. Next 1 minus I into minus 1 plus I plus 1 minus I into 1 minus I. Next here minus 1 plus I into 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I into 1 plus I plus 1 plus I into 1 plus I, 1 plus I into 1 plus I. Next minus 1 plus I into minus 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I into minus 1 plus I plus 1 plus I into 1 minus I. 1 plus I into 1 minus I, which will be equal to 1 divided by 4. So if you see here, a minus b into a plus b. So it is in the format of a plus b into a minus b. So which can also be written as a square minus b square. So here a value is 1 and b value is I. So if you want to write it in this format, a square means 1 square, it will be 1 itself, minus b square. What is the value of b? It is I. So b square means I square, plus here also 1 minus I, 1 plus I. So it is also similar for a square minus b square. So 1 square means 1, next to I square. Next here you can see here 1 minus I into 1 minus I. Here 1 minus I into minus 1 plus I is there. So if you calculate the values, that is just multiply them. 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. 1 into plus I will be plus I. Next minus 1 into minus 1 will be minus into minus plus. 1 into I will be I. Minus 1 plus I. So it will be plus into minus minus I into I square. Plus 1 into 1 will be 1 minus. Because 1 into 1 will be 1 plus 1 into minus I. It will be minus I. Next minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1. Minus I into 1 will be minus I. Minus I into minus I. Minus into minus plus I into I square. So next here minus 1 into 1, it will be minus 1. Minus 1 into I will be minus I. Plus I into 1 will be plus I. Plus I into plus I. So it will be plus I square. Plus 1 into 1 will be 1. Plus 1 into I will be I. Plus I into 1 will be I. Plus I into I will be I square. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 1 ones are 1. Minus 1 into plus I. Minus 1 into plus I will be minus I. Plus I minus 1 will be minus I. Plus I into plus I will be plus I square. So plus a plus b into a minus b. So how you will write? A square, that is 1 square means 1, minus b square means I square. So we also know that in matrices we will be using one value, that is I square value will be equal to minus 1. Just substitute wherever I square will be there, just substitute it as minus 1. So at the last you will be getting the values as 4, 0, 0, 4 when you simplify. Now let's multiply the common element which has been taken out into the matrix. So 4 divided by 4. If you multiply or divide by anything to the 0, it will be 0 itself. 0, 4 divided by 4. So now it will be equal to 4 ones are 4, 0, 0, 4 ones are 4. So now you can see here A star A is equal to the identity matrix, because in the generated matrix, that is the output matrix, we are having the diagonal elements as 1 and rest of them are equal to 0. So now you can conclude the given matrix is a unitary matrix because it has satisfied the condition A star into A, which will be equal to I. So hope you understood the topic of the unitary matrix. Part 1 link will be given in the description. You can see it there. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. And if you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.